Hello, I'm Doug Grant, the founder and chief formulator for Optimal Health Systems. For those of you health professionals who have chosen us as your nutritional formulation partner, thank you. For those just checking us out, we hope to show you why many of the top health professionals, professional athletes, and patients choose OHS to help them reach optimal health individually and for you as a clinic also. Our commitment is for your patients to be able to heal 2 times faster and for your clinic to 5 times more its residual income. Now, that's a lot to say, but we'll back it up. Let me take you through a little history. OHS starts back in 1989 when I found myself in a neurological institute suffering from an L4, L5 spine injury. Before that, I was working full-time, finishing my degree in holistic nutrition and exercise. I got frustrated with doctors not communicating with each other so I could be looked at and be treated holistically. After not agreeing to exploratory surgery, I left and sought out a friend who ran a progressive rehab clinic. He was a chiropractor and had many other types of doctors as consultants to help evaluate my needs. He treated me holistically with adjustments, percussion massage, stimulators, aggressive rehab movements, and many other things like from meditation techniques to even acupuncture. The only missing link was nutrition at the cellular level, ensuring that nutrients could be delivered to help my body heal. That's where my training came in. I had already befriended the world's leading authority on enzymes and nutrient deliveries, along with other great organic chemists and PhDs like world-renowned Harvey Ashmead, world's authority on organic probiotics, Kim Shahani, who had over 300 peer-reviewed studies published on the subject. You know, from that research and others, I was able to develop what is known today as our OptiBlend delivery system and our whole food culture media. Those are the difference makers. OptiBlend breaks down the herbs and the food substrates in the formulas into cellular deliverable nutrients. This guarantees that the vitamins, minerals, herbs, everything in the formula are quickly delivered at the cell level for immediate benefit to your patient. That's what makes the difference. Even with this breakthrough though, how can we deliver on our 2 times faster healing promise for your patients? Let me give you one example. Optimal Acute. Dr. Fisher and cohorts from the University of Toronto did a double-blind study on inflammation and healing time from injury. They found that taking the enzyme blend in our acute formula lowered inflammation at the same rate as NSAIDs, Tylenol, ibuprofen, naproxen, those things. But the group taking the acute enzyme blend actually healed 3 times faster than the NSAID group. Now, they healed faster, even though the swelling came down the same. It's because of the prostaglandins. That's one example of one of the formulas, and we have many that have been proven to help your patients heal 2 times faster. Personally, I was able to heal faster, and as I started teaching others, word spread like wildfire as they were getting much greater than normal results. That story and the #1 nutritional key to optimal health will be in the next video.
For those of you waiting for the special offer at the end of the video, here you go. Call 1-800-890-4547 if you are a new health professional, and we will send you a complete box of our pre-digested formula samples, a 3-ring binder on special health reports on the most serious conditions your patients face, product and system information, and more.